In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Planoly account, full 2025 guide. If you've decided Planoly is no longer the right fit, I'll walk you through the exact screens you'll click to permanently remove your account. Deleting an account is irreversible, so before you begin, consider downloading any scheduled posts, media, or analytics you want to keep. Once the account is removed, you won't be able to recover that data. First, open your preferred browser and go to planoly.com. On the home page, select Login and sign in with your email and password. If you use social sign-in or two-factor authentication, just complete those prompts as usual. After you're in, look to the top right corner of the dashboard for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Account Settings. This is where all of your personal details and plan information live. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Account Management or sometimes Account Info depending on the version you're seeing. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that page. This is typically where Planoly places options for closing or removing an account. At the bottom, you should see a button or link that says Delete Account. Click it. Planoly will immediately display a warning explaining that deletion is permanent and will remove your content and access. Read this message carefully so you know exactly what will be lost. When you're ready to proceed, follow the prompt on screen. In some cases, you'll be asked to type the word delete to confirm. Other times, you'll simply click confirm. Planoly may also send a verification email to the address on file or ask you to re-enter your password to ensure it's really you. Open that email if prompted and complete the final confirmation from there. After confirmation, the account removal process begins. You may be logged out right away and you'll receive an on-screen message or an email letting you know the account has been deleted. If you don't see the delete account option, make sure you're in the correct account settings page and that your browser is up to date. Interface labels can change slightly with updates. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Planoly account. If you changed your mind later, you would need to create a new account from scratch, so double check that you've saved anything important beforehand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move forward with confidence.